I always had this picture of what the future might be like, and I envisioned it that I would be working in Orange County. But more and more, as the days went on, I just felt like there was something wrong, something missing, something that I was being called to. I just kept seeking peace, but wasn't seeming to find it. No matter what I did and where I went, I just felt like there was something off. Like I just can't seem to describe it, but it was just something that was lacking. The peace just was not there. Each day we just continued on with our lives as if we were living the dream, moving around and around, going about our daily lives. But we just knew that there was just something that we were being called to, some epic journey, some story that had yet to be told that we were supposed to be part of. In Exodus, it talks about Moses seeking direction and where he should go, and God telling him, "Go and talk to Pharaoh on my behalf." And he did.